So good afternoon. We are presenting to you our psychological assessment tool, which is entitled 3CF Scale of Body Shaming, together with my members, Carl Harita Lalang, Erwel Josep Parino, Lazaga JB, and yours truly, the introduction. Background information. The 3CL scale of body shaming, or SPS, it consists of 100 treatment, which is divided into two facets. Internal body shaming, which relates to the experience of oneself being negatively in the minds of others, such as flaws and appearance. Second is the internal body shaming, which relates to the inner judgment for being associated with global self-delusions and feeling of inferiority, undesirability, and isolation. As for domains, which is social domain, emotional domain, physical, health, and behavioral domain, this assessment will determine how likely teenagers to fit in the society. So next, and so the objective of the 3CL scale of body shaming, or SBS, is to assess the body image of overweight teenagers, measures the feelings of teenagers towards body shaming, identify some factors that contribute to negative body shaming. The theoretical basis of the psychological assessment tool is the objectification theory by Frederick L. Robertson, Roberts, 1997. Theory is a framework for understanding the experience of being female in a culture that sexually objectifies the female body. The theory proposed that girls and women, also boys and men, are socialized to internalize an observer's perspective of their primarily view of physical self. This perspective is referred to as self-objectification, which leads many girls and women to habitually monitor their bodies' outward appearance. This in return leads to increased feelings of shame, the anxiety, and disgust, or reduces opportunities and diminished awareness of internal bodily.
Materials. The materials used in this assessment tool are divided into two parts: test construction and testing proper. In test construction, we used research materials such as books, ebooks, articles, and other research papers for the purpose of literature review. For testing proper, the assessment tool will run through a paper and pen type of testing. The test user will be needing to provide one folder and the actual test questionnaire, where the test taker will be needing a longer to pencil or ball. Our subject for the SBS includes 100 overweight teenagers with ages ranging from 15 to 18 years old. The practitioners use purposive sampling technique, wherein they gather several support groups of overweight teenagers and send invitations to participate on the assessment tool.
For the psychometric property, the scale of body shaming went through the cycle of construct validity and face validity. The researchers used Cronbach's alpha after estimating the relation of variables with each other to figure the Cronbach's alpha of the test measure, ANOVA two-factor without replication to show the proportion of errors and rows. The result of Cronbach's alpha is 0.69, which demonstrates that the connection coefficient of the factors is acceptable. For the reliability is meant the degree to which the score of tests are consistent in measuring. Rel- Reliability is determined by using the formula of Pearson R and the Spearman-Brown coefficient. The coefficient of correlation were found between the items under external shame and internal shame. It demonstrates that the reliability score of the things under social and physical health domain is 0.86. Emotional domain have score of 0.85 and behavioral domain is 0.87, which is considered to be substantial and valid. So for norming, the initial norms of scale of body shaming were collected via online surveying, wherein the assessment tool was distributed on a group of teenagers in order to provide the initial comparisons for scale of body shaming. The comparison groups consist of 100 test takers from different places and with ages ranging from 15 to 21. The mean age of respondents was 16.36 with a standard deviation of 1.50. The majority of respondents were between the ages of 15 to 18. The, real, the reliability scores for the different dimensions were computed using the formulas Pearson R and Spearman-Brown correlation.
The result and the discussion. The table 1 provide the descriptive statistic of gender, which is female participants and male participants. The female participant was 67 and the male participants was 33. So in the given illustration, we can see that the most female experienced body shaming than the male. The table 2 provides information about the participants' self-reported weight, self-reported height, body mass index based on self-reported weight and height. The table 3 shows the mean of external body shaming, which is 2.53, a standard deviation of 6.88, and variance of 47.40, while internal body shaming mean is 1.83, standard deviation of 1.15, and variance of 1.32. Overweight teenager females are displaying an evidence of feeling insecure about their body type and experience body shaming within the external facet, most especially in the social domain side. Most of the participants are average scorers, which imply that they are either experiencing to be body shamed by other people and being left out or discriminated, which leads to have many insecurities about their body. The result of the assessment tool define how likely the subject possess body shaming. Some researchers might find these overweight teenagers as people who are extremely fat and obese but still manage to keep their head high to the situation and battle every day in their lives and build a self-confidence even though they have a huge build. So that's the end of our video presentation for our psych assessment tool. Thank you for listening.